Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining exactly who the voice should be and why. Pick age, gender, accent, and dominant emotions. Once done, gather clean reference audio, 10 to 30 minutes if possible, recorded at 44. 148K HC mono with consistent mic distance and minimal noise. Next, label usage constraints like latency, file size, and licensing rights so you choose models and services that meet them. Make sure to test a short sample quickly to confirm the direction before deeper work. Now move into model selection and preparation. Choose a state-of-the-art neural TTS architecture or a hybrid pipeline that supports expressive control. Then preprocess, denoise and normalize levels, segment into phonemes, and align transcripts precisely so training converges. Once training starts, incorporate style tokens and prosody labels to control intonation, condition on pitch and energy contours to match the reference's expressiveness. Monitor sample outputs frequently, tweak learning rates and regularization, and iterate until the voice sounds natural and stable across sentences. To finish, export the model with appropriate optimizations like quantization or pruning to meet latency and memory targets, then integrate with your delivery stack. Once deployed, run blind/B tests and mean opinion score evaluations across scripts, emotions, and speaking rates to validate real-world quality. If you encounter artifacts, metallic timbre, clipped plosives, or robotic prosody, first tweak the vocoder and retrain with more prosody-labeled data. If needed, add lightweight post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.